Assalamu alaikum dear students, I hope you all are fine. Students, we have revised all the definitions related to chapter number 2, which is about rational numbers. And today I will tell you how to add the rational numbers, or how to compare the rational numbers, and how to represent the rational numbers on number line. I have a tutorial video for you so that you will be able to understand how to compare these fractions. So let's start the video.
Comparison of rational numbers. Rational numbers can be compared in two different ways. 1. By representing rational numbers on a number line. 2. By using the method we use for the comparison of fractions. 3. By cross-multiplication method. 1. By representing rational numbers on a number line. Example 1. Compare -3 by 7 and -5 by 7. In the above sum, we see that the denominators are the same. So, let us compare it as follows. Draw a number line. Now, look carefully at the number line and see where your numbers -5 and -3 are located. Since -5 is to the left of -3, this means that -5 is smaller than -3, or -3 is larger than -5. Hence, we can say that -3 by 7 is greater than -5 by 7. Example 2. Which of the two rational numbers -3 by 5 and -2 by 3 is greater? Solution. 1. The denominators of -3 by 5 and -2 by 3 are positive and different. 2. It will be difficult to plot the numbers with different denominators in a number line. 3. So, we find equivalent fractions of -3 by 5 and -2 by 3 by finding the LCM of 5 and 3. 4. The LCM is 15 and the fractions are -9 by 15 and -10 by 15. Now, let us draw the number line as shown on the screen. 5. By seeing the number line, we know that -9 by 15 is greater than -10 by 15. 2. By using the method we use for the comparison of fractions with different denominators. In order to compare any two rational numbers with different denominators, we can use the following steps. Step 1. Write the given rational numbers so that their denominators are positive. Step 2. Find the LCM of the positive denominators of the rational numbers obtained in step 2. Step 3. Express each rational number with the LCM as common denominator. Step 4. Compare the numerators of rational numbers obtained in step 3. The number having greater numerator is the greater rational number. Example 2. Which of the numbers 3 by -4 and -5 by 6 is greater? Solution. First, we write each of the given numbers with positive denominator. One number is equal to 3 by -4 is equal to 3 into -1 by -4 into -1 is equal to -3 by 4. The other number is equal to -5 by 6. LCM of 4 and 6 is equal to 12. Therefore, -3 by 4 is equal to -3 into 3 by 4 into 3 is equal to -9 by 12. and minus 5 by 6 is equal to minus 5 into 2 by 6 into 2 is equal to minus 10 by 12. Clearly, minus 9 by 12 is greater than minus 10 by 12. Hence, 3 by minus 4 is greater than minus 5 by 6. 3. By cross multiplication method. This method is used to compare rational numbers with unequal denominators. Example 3. Let us compare 5 by 15 and 8 by 17. Step 1. Cross multiply, which means multiply the numbers diagonally. Step 2. Compare. We see that 17 into 5 is 85 and 15 into 8 is 120. 85 is less than 120. Thus, this is also true for the rational numbers. Step 3. As we see that 85 is lesser than 120, the first rational number is lesser than the second rational number. Method of comparing 3 or more rational numbers. The method is as follows. 1. Rewrite the rational numbers with positive denominator. 2. Determine the LCM of all the denominators. 3. Express the rational numbers with the same denominator. 4. Compare the numerator. 5. Order the numbers as per the question asked. For example, arrange the rational numbers minus 7 by 10, 5 by minus 8, 2 by minus 3 in ascending order. Solution. First, write the rational numbers with positive denominator, so it becomes minus 7 by 10, minus 5 by 8, and minus 2 by 3. Find the LCM of denominators. LCM of 10, 8, and 3 is 120. Step 3. Now express the rational numbers with the same denominator. Minus 7 by 10 is equal to minus 7 into 12 by 10 into 12 is equal to minus 84 by 120. Minus 5 by 8 is equal to minus 5 into 15 by 8 into 15 is equal to minus 75 by 120. Minus 2 by 3 is equal to minus 2 by 40 by 3 by 40 is equal to minus 80 by 120. Comparing the numerators of these numbers, we get minus 75 is greater than minus 80 is greater than minus 84. Therefore, minus 75 by 120 is greater than minus 80 by 120 is greater than minus 84 by 120, which implies 5 by minus 8 is greater than 2 by minus 3 is greater than minus 7 by 10.
Very good, students. Now I hope you will be able to represent the numbers on number line. This question is related to exercise number 2.1, question number 2. So solve all these questions in your notebook or rough notebook so that you will understand the concept. Similarly, we have also revised the comparing of rational numbers, and these are related to exercise number 2.3. You will also solve these questions in your rough notebook so for the practice. Okay, students, I hope you will done it without any problem. And after one day, after this in next lecture, I will send you quiz or some short assessment so that you will completely know the concept and the comparison of rational numbers. Okay, students, so do practice of this task. Take care and hafiz.